All right, here we go. This video is about segment addition. Now, in a way, you kind of already know what segment addition is. It's just if you take two little pieces and put them together, you get something bigger. So let's imagine we have these two sticks sitting right in front of you. We've got a stick that's about 8 inches long, and we have another one that's 12 inches long. So what happens if we were to take these two sticks and put them together? If those were now one stick, it would be 20 inches long. So segment addition is we just take two or more little pieces and we put them together to make one big piece. That's what segment addition is. So for these examples right here, what we're going to do is we are going to use segment addition and algebra to create an equation and find x and the length of a missing piece. So this first example, the first thing you have to do is identify your little pieces and your big piece. Well, we have AB, which is a little segment, and we also have BC, which is a little segment, and when you add them together, it makes this AC, big segment. So the equation we need for this would be little piece x plus 2 plus the other little piece, which is 3x plus 4, and we're going to set that equal to the big piece, 6x minus 4. And now all we have to do is solve this algebraically, and once you find x, we can go back and we can find the length of BC. So on this side, we're just going to combine our like terms. X and 3x makes 4x, 2 and 4 makes 6, and that's equal to 6x minus 4. Subtract our 4x from both sides, and we have 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. Add 4 to both sides. 10 is equal to 2x, which means x is equal to 5. So now we know what x equals. X is equal to 5. So to find the length of BC, all you have to do is substitute x into BC's expression. So BC is 3x plus 4. So we're just going to take 3x plus 4, and we're going to substitute 5 in for x. So 3 times 5 plus 4 is 15 plus 4. We know the length of BC is 19. Okay, that is segment addition. To come up with your equation, all you have to do is take your little pieces and add them up to the big piece. Set them equal to each other, solve your equation for x, then take your x, substitute it back into the expression you need to find the missing length. Okay, so number two. Number two, as you can see, there are three little segments that make up a big segment. The first thing I want you to do is try to come up with the equation. Okay, pause the video and try to do that on your own. Okay, so let's see if you came up with the correct equations. First, you have this little piece, AB. You have little piece BC. And you have little piece CD, which all add up to the big piece AD. So that is your equation. So your equation should be little piece x plus 2 plus little piece 3x plus 3 plus little piece 2x plus 5 is equal to the big piece 8x minus 10. If you have that equation, you are free to go solve and find the length of BD. So to solve, again, you just have to combine your like terms on the left side. X, 3x, and 2x is going to make 6x. 2, 3, and 5 is going to make 10. And that's equal to 8x minus 10. Solve. And you get x equals 10. Now, you have to look carefully. We're looking for the length of BD. B is here. D is here. So you need to substitute into both of those expressions. So we have x is 10. So this is 3 times 10 plus 3. And this is 2 times 10 plus 5. So the length of BC is 33. The length of CD is 25, which means the total length of BD is 33 plus 25, which is 58. Okay, and again, that's all it takes. You're just adding little pieces and set it equal to the big piece. After that, it's just algebra. Here are two more examples of segment addition, but these come without pictures. A lot of times in this class, you are going to have to draw your own pictures, which is why we spent the first video talking about points and segments and lines and how you label them and name them. So, for this example number 3, it says B is on segment AC. So it's your job to just start and come up with a segment AC and put B anywhere you want on that segment. The numbers are what matter. It's not an accuracy of the drawing type of problem. So in part A, it says AB is 4. And it says BC is 7, and it wants to know what the length of the entire AC segment is. And you can see we have a little piece and a little piece, so they add up to 11. And that's it. Part A is done. Now part B is going to erase those figures and start a new problem. So it says AB is now 3. We're looking for BC, but it gives us the entire length of AC, which is 13. So now you have a big piece and a little piece, and we're going to look for the other little piece. Well, 3 plus what other little piece is going to give you a total of 13? And the answer to that is simply 10, because 3 plus 10 is equal to 13. And you can always check. Little piece plus little piece is equal to the big piece, and it works. So you're good to go. Number 4 is the exact same type of problem. The only thing it involves is algebra. So you still have to draw your own picture. So for number 4, we have already practiced drawing. We've already practiced solving. We've already practiced substitution. So what I would like you to do is pause this video and try number 4 from start to finish on your own. As soon as you're done, press play. We'll see if you got it correct. So, did you get it correct? If you got AB is equal to 28, you are good to go. That means you did this entire problem correct. If you did not get AB equals 28, let's see if we can find where you went wrong. First of all, check your picture. It says B is on AC, so you should have a segment with AB and BC, which make a total segment of AC. Second, you should have your equations written in the correct spot. So we should have 2x plus 4 for AB. You should have 3x plus 6 for BC, and you should have 6x minus 2 for AC. Your equation was 2x plus 4 plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 6x minus 2. So 2x and 3x makes 5x, 4 plus 6 makes 10, and that's equal to our big segment, 6x minus 2. Solve by subtracting 5x and adding 2, and you get x equals 12. So once you get x equals 12, you substitute it into the AB expression, which is 2x plus 4. So 2 times 12 is 24, plus 4 is 28, and you are done. Okay? So that's it for segment addition. Those are all the basic skills that you need to know. As you can see, this note sheet continues. We have 2 challenge problems that are going to involve factoring. And we also have a challenge problem which includes systems of equations. So for right now, we're not going to take the time to go through these. If you would like to attempt them on your own, feel free to do so. And we will check our answers in class. So we will go through these challenge problems together in class as extra practice. But if you would like to attempt these on your own, feel free to do so. This is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.